AY multi-character, exporting generated characters. With AY multi-character, you can export your generated character by using the export visible option. And a point to note, in Blender, you can export a visible object to a .blend file, but this kit helps you in doing so by clicking on the export to blend. So when you click on the export to blend, you can save your file out of Blender. So I'm going to save this file as Ken, as the name of the character, and then click on the export to blend. So now I have a blend file of this generated character. I can also export this character as an OBJ file, and the same process applies to this. So by just clicking on the export to OBJ, I can go to the Ken folder, and then I have Ken. So to open the saved blend file, I want to go to File, Open, and I won't save this, don't save. And then I'm going to navigate to the Ken folder. Now on my system, you can see the scene is showing as cube. On other systems, it could show as folder alone. And this is partly because this scene had not been opened and saved, but it's still going to work as a Blender file. There's no issues with that. So I'm going to resave this scene by just clicking on this, and I'm going to open the scene. And here is the exported character. So I'm just going to save this again. And now, when I click on open, you can see that the thumbnail for that particular Ken file is now visible. So this is how you do it. So now that you have your character in here, you can still change some of the attributes here. So I want to show my character the way it looks, and then bring up the AY panel. And from the AY panel, make sure the root control is selected, and then go to character and change some things. Utilities, randomize, and I can still randomize all, as you can see from the saved Blender file. So you can see how robust AY is.